Hi and welcome. I'm your host, Bassam Mohammed El Sayed Gonzalez, intern at Berman Design, here today with Rocky Reidel, Mr. Rocky Reidel. Mr. Rocky Reidel, could you give us a little intro?
Sure. Yeah. So my name is Schuyler Rocky Reidel, and I'm the attorney of Reidel Law Firm. I'm the managing attorney, and I handle everything. So what I do is franchise law and international trade law, which means I help people join a franchise or start franchising their business. I also, on the trade side, I also handle import-export compliance. So if you're moving goods across borders, I'm the guy who does the paperwork. I'm the guy who knows how to do it. Basically, do it legally.
What does a great customer look like for Reidel Law Firm?
Sure. So the clients that we work with and our target demo, I guess, for clients is potential franchisees, right, is first. So people who want to become a franchisee of a franchise concept. So if you want to own a McDonald's unit or a Burger King unit or whatever, um, I'm the guy you talk to. I can walk you through the contract and educate you about the terms, make sure that it makes sense for you and that you're well prepared for it. So potential franchisees, that's the first. Second would be potential franchisors, right? Somebody who has a business who wants to franchise their concept. They are the next McDonald's, right, or the next Burger King, and I do the legal work to get them there. Franchising is very regulated. There's a whole lot of paperwork and time and effort that you got to put into it. So that's what I do for clients is I prepare all of that and get them rocking and rolling. And then on the trade side, really, it's yeah, it's people who need to ship goods across borders, right? Who need to import or export from the U.S. A lot of goods are controlled for export, and you got to have licenses sometimes. Or you got to make sure you're not hitting sanctions. We make sure that we keep you legal and that you're not triggering any of those. So yeah, importers and exporters doing business with the world from the U.S.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And so then, how does Berman Design help attorneys in their process, from your point of view?
Berman design doesn't necessarily help attorneys one to one, right? Like an attorney, I don't need an architect, right?
Right.
But my clients do, right? So he helps me because he's the expert at what my clients need, right? At getting prototypes done, at getting um, the plans together and the designs and the I forget what he calls it, his product list and supply chain management. I mean, he does all of that for prototyping for the franchise industry, which is what my clients need, who are starting a franchise and need to know all of this stuff and need to have these details prepared to sell franchises. So that's how he helps me, frankly, is he is a resource to my clients to make their lives easier and to be the expert that knows this stuff.
And so then, another question. How do you use AI in your practice? How do you use that?
The specialized legal world, I use AI to help me review contracts, to a lesser extent, generate contracts, because a lot of stuff I'm generating is a lot of the same stuff. So I don't need a lot of kind of exotic AI stuff for it because it's already been done, right? I don't need to kind of reinvent the wheel, but I use it in a lot of different ways, extensively, from like conceptualizing, generative analysis with my AI contract review. That's I'm able to review a franchise agreement in a matter of days, right? 3 or 4 days, and do it flat fee. Send clients a very comprehensive report and analysis of that, and give them insight into what they're signing. So yeah, all the way through my law firm, I'm using AI and use multiple tools. I'm a big believer in using technology to be efficient and to design and create systems that work to make me more efficient.
Thank you so much, Mr. Schuyler Rocky Rydell, for your time. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Thank you. I really appreciate it, and look forward to working with Joel and Berman Architecture long in the future.